Hello and welcome to your week 4 1-minute lecture. After having survived the ABO and RH blood group systems, we are now going to move on to other blood group systems, of which there's a large number, but things should start making more sense to you now as we move through each blood group system. This slide lists the other blood groups that we're going to be looking at in this particular chapter. And having gone through the ABO and the RH blood group systems, those two kind of lay the groundwork on how we look at the other blood group systems. You'll see some similarities, but you'll also see some differences, and that's what you need to key in on, because a lot of this is memorization, and you have to find ways of organizing the information that makes sense to you so you can quickly recall it when we move to the antibody identification section. And here again, you cannot get away from this blood group system graphic organizer, but this is going to be what you will use this week to help you study all of the different blood group systems. You should have already filled in this graphic organizer with information pertaining to the ABO and the RH blood group systems, but here's where how this graphic organizer helps you really starts making sense as you move through the other blood group systems. Here you want to focus on the major antigens so that it will help you remember which antigens are involved with each blood group system. The antigen frequencies, yes, you do need to have some idea of the antigen frequencies of each antigen in each blood group system, so that's a lot of memorization. What are the biochemical characteristics? Are they protein or are they carbohydrate antigens? Because this will help decide ultimately what class of immunoglobulin is made. What's the genetic mechanisms? We've already seen there are some similarities and some differences between the ABO and the RH blood group systems. How are the other blood group systems similar to the two we've already studied? What are the antibody characteristics? Are they clinically relevant? So you need to have an idea of that as we move toward the antibody ID section. And then what are the unique characteristics? What are the odd things that we know when somebody either possesses or is missing an antigen of a certain blood group system? Are there diseases associated with it? For example, Rh null ends up in patients having a hemolytic anemia. Are there other similar situations with different blood group systems? Those are the things that you need to remember and focus on to help you as we continue to move through the immunohematology course. Good luck and have fun.